What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I look crazy always. Yeah, we got a lingerie haul. So yeah, it's a Shein lingerie haul. I always do Shein lingerie haul because it's if you can hear the noise, I'm sorry. Maybe I should wait. So I tend to do Shein lingerie hauls because it's more affordable to like everyone. And like I do the lingerie hauls because, you know, the Shein models, they ain't really plus size. So, you know, a lot of girls that watch my channel have similar body types to me, so I want to show you what it looks like on a real plus size body. You know, I buy it so you don't have to. I try all these outfits out so you don't have to waste your money. If it don't look good on me, don't get it, period. So this is your first time to my channel. My name's Danique, and you can go ahead and subscribe. It's free, it's right there somewhere, so go subscribe to me, period, because if you don't, you're fake. Also subscribe to my OnlyFans. It's $3. Ladies, subscribe too, because it's like, it's not $3 anymore actually. OnlyFans changed their policy. It's $5. That's the cheapest I can make it. But yeah, ladies, go subscribe too, because you can get some ideas for your OnlyFans by looking at mine. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to just hop right into the video. Let me stop talking so much because you always say I talk so much, so I'm just gonna stop. Okay, period. Okay, so normally before I try the lingerie on before I do the videos, but I didn't do that. So this is gonna be like a first impression. I'm still gonna put in like a clip of me with the lingerie on, so y'all can see, you know, what it looks like. But this is like first impression of what I'm thinking of this lingerie that I got. Also, the reason I do my videos like this for like lingerie is because it's less likely to get demonetized. I notice when I like do a clip instead of like trying it on and showing you how I'll do my regular hauls. Obviously that's not always the case. Sometimes it still gets demonetized, but I do it like this in the hopes that it doesn't, because, you know, I want to make money off the videos I make. But we'll see. YouTube, let me just say this before I start. I seen a skinny girl, my skinny girl, show her whole bare ass on this app, and it's like her video wasn't even taken down. But me, since I'm plus size, let me show a little bit of cleavage, and my videos get flagged, taken down. I have to fucking appeal it, or, you know, it gets demonetized. Little old me, because I'm plus size, but like a skinny girl can get on here and show whatever the fuck they want. I don't think that's fair, but it is what it is. Let's get into the lingerie. I'm gonna start with the most boring one because, y'all, I got this same set in like 3 different prints. I have it in zebra print, cheetah print, and the floral print. So y'all see it on me, but it's a 2-piece set, but it looks like a 1-piece when it's on. And if y'all watch my last lingerie haul, I'll put it in the ad if I remember. I probably won't, but it like connects to the bra part, so that's why it looks like a 1-piece, but it's definitely a 2-piece. And I just always get these ones because, like, I know it's going to fit, and it's hard to find lingerie on Shein that's going to fit like everything perfectly, because, you know, I have some large features. I'm a big girl, so yeah. But I just always get these sets because I know it's going to fit me, and they're a really nice set. They're like regular, so yeah, you'll see me with it on. But this is like a floral print, and it has a lace trimming. It's like very silky, so I like the material of this too. That's the bottom. The top does have underwire in it, and I know this cup looks really small, but actually most of my boob fits in it, which is good because, you know, it's a lot to cover, so most of it fits in it. But if you have smaller boobs, it'll be really nice since it does have the underwire in it. Very stretchy too, again, silky material, and it's just like a regular little bra, and the part you hook it onto is like right under it, so you have to kind of look for it, but it's all there. And the back is like a regular bra. So I just started with that one because y'all seen that one probably in several lingerie hauls, and it's boring, it's tired, but it's cute, so, and it fits. This next one, I really hope it fits. I really hope it fits. Y'all see in the try on part if it fits. But y'all, it's so cute. So you know how Fashion Nova has like their lingerie sets, and it has like Fashion Nova on it. So Shein has that too. Look at this. It says Shein. That is so cute. And it's completely see-through, y'all. Completely. So with in the try on part, I'm gonna have to cover, you know, the nips up. But how cute is this? How cute. How cute. Only thing is, you can't, it comes with no adjustable straps, and it doesn't have like the hooks in the back, so if it don't fit, it don't fit. There's no adjusting. So it looks pretty. We're gonna see. These are the bottom. How do these go? Okay, I think they go like this. Oh yeah. Sorry. They're just basic. I wish the bottoms had like this sheen on it, like it had the band that says Shein around the top. Why don't it? That's stupid. It actually should, but it's just regular panties. They're cute though. They're cute though. This one, I don't know how to show y'all because it's like, it's a one piece, but it's like, okay, let me back up. I don't know. I don't. Y'all see it on. I'm trying to. Okay, it looked like a swimsuit, but it said it was lingerie. But y'all, this is so sexy. If it fits, it's gonna be so cute. Can't wait to take bomb pictures in it. Only thing is, like this. Oh, I can't see. You have to tie this part, which y'all, when I do this, I tie for dear life. Like, I tie it like super tight because you know, my boobs are big, so I have to be able to support it, and it'll be hurting my neck so much when I do that. But it's the only way to keep it on. But this is cute, and I love cheetah print. Like, I live for cheetah print. Y'all should know that. So you know, this is right up my alley. Super sexy. I love the way it's cut. I really hope it fits. Like, y'all will know by now if it fits, but I'm be sad if it don't. So, but yeah, I don't really know what to say about it. I don't know what I was about to say just now. But I don't know, this is just so cute, and I really hope it fits. That's all. I only got 3 pieces because I couldn't find any more that looks like they're gonna fit. Like, I'm like kind of like a pro. I shop for lingerie, and not, you know, not to brag or anything, but I'm a pro. I shop for lingerie, so I can kind of tell what's gonna fit and what's not gonna fit. So I'm pretty sure all this is gonna fit, but you know. But yeah, I can tell by the way it looks on the model, especially if they have like larger boobs. You know, I can kind of tell what's gonna work for me and what's not gonna work for me. If I didn't say everything's a 4X, I wear a 4X in Shein. Although if you do have a larger like breast like me, you if they do have 5X, you might want to get a 5X. But I think all the pieces that I got didn't go up to a 5X. So I just got 4Xs and everything, which is fine, they fit, but if you need the extra space, it might be better to go up a size. That's it for this lingerie haul. I hope y'all liked it. I hope everything fits me, because if it didn't, honey, I'm gonna be so mad. But yeah, I'm about to go try the lingerie on now, so I'll see you next video. Peace.